Welcome all of you to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Krishna Salgaonkar. I am an assistant professor in SST College of Arts and Commerce. Today I am going to talk with you about the topic Introduction to Computer Graphic. This is a part of Computer Graphic course semester 4 SYIT. First we will try to understand what is a computer graphics. Computer graphic is an art of drawing picture, line, charts, etc. using computer with the help of programming. Computer graphic is made up of number of pixels. Pixel is the smallest graphic picture or unit represented on the computer screen. So your screen is made up of pixels, and using these pixels the images are getting formed on the screen. So what are the different types of images we can see on the computer screen? Are pictures, are lines, charts, etc. You can consider your selfie also. It's also computer graphics. First we will try to understand the different applications of this computer graphic. The computer graphics has many applications. Some of the applications I have written over here: computer aided design, presentation graphics, entertainment, that is animation and games, education and training, computer art, scientific visualization, image processing, graphic user interface. Now we will see all these applications one by one. Why I am telling you all this application? Because with the help of this application you can understand what actually the computer graphics is. Now the first application is computer aided design. Designing of building, automobile, aircraft is done with the help of computer aided drawings. This helps in providing minute details to the drawing and producing more accurate and sharp drawing with better specification. See, whenever these buildings are getting constructed, we have to create their diagrams on the paper. So for that type of designing we can use computer aided designs, that is CAD softwares, and with the help of that softwares we are going to design this building designs as well automobiles and aircraft designs. The second application is in entertainment, that is animation and games. Computer graphics find a major part of its utility in the movie industry and game industry, used for creation motion pictures, music videos, television shows, cartoon animation films. In the game industry, where focus and interactivity are the key players, computer graphics helps in providing such features in the efficient way. You are well versed with motion pictures, movies, so they are also made up of graphics only. So there your computer graphics is used. Then in music videos also, in television shows, cartoon animation films also. So if you see, there are n number of applications of computer graphics. Basically everything is based on this computer graphics only. Then there is presentation graphics. For the preparation of report or summarizing the financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific, economic data, for research report, managerial reports, moreover creation of bar graph, pie charts, time charts can be done using the tools present in the computer graphics. See here it is mentioned about presentation graphics. So what is a presentation graphic? Actually whenever you want to present any data on the computer, you have to present it in a particular way. Like if it is a Excel data, you can use the Excel sheets to present it. If you want to write a letter to someone, you can draft your letter in Microsoft Word. So you have to prepare your data in a presentable form. So for that reason it is written as a presentation graphic. It is not only PowerPoint, it can be anything which you can use to present your data to your audience. Okay, so if you are writing a letter, it can be Word. Suppose if you are making some financial statement, you can use Tally to make that reports. There are so many software which allows you to make different types of report. So this is also parts of computer graphics. Then of course education and training. Right now we are using graphics. Education. Computer generated models are extremely useful for teaching huge number of concepts and fundamentals in an easy to understand and learn manner. Using computer graphic, many educational models can be created through which more interest can be generated among the students regarding the subject. See, if any difficult concept is there and that concept is shown to you people with the help of a computer graphics with some small animation, then it will be more clear to you. Suppose I have to explain you how the printouts are getting done. So if I use some animation of how the things are getting done, and if I showed it to you, it will be more clear to you. So this is how graphics can be used in education, training. Specialized system for training like simulator can be used for training the candidates in the way that they can be grasped in a short span of time with better understanding. Creation of training model using computer graphic is simple and very useful. Here we can take the example of learning driving. So instead of actual driving, you can learn with the help of simulations that computerized things will be created to give you the feel of that you are driving. So you can use that graphic things for learning driving. So that is also how the computer graphics are related with the training. Other thing, in usual trainings also, in any training I can use simulators. Okay, that means other things are guided, so you can go through the things and you can learn different things. Next, this is with done education and training. After that, scientific visualization. This is also one of the important use of computer graphic. Today, the need of visualizing things have increased drastically. The need of visualization can be seen in many advanced technologies. Data visualization helps in finding insight of the data to check and study the behavior of process around us. We need appropriate visualization which can be achieved through proper usage of computer graphics. Data visualization is very important in current scenarios because based on that you can take many decisions. So when we can consider, so for example we can consider maps. Okay, so here the data is presented visually, visual presentation is there which can be used in many different ways. So that is also a part of a computer graphics. Then image processing. Image processing is again a very vast field. This is the digital image processing. Various kinds of photographs or images require editing in order to be used in different places. Process of existing images into refined ones for better interpretation is one of the many applications of the computer graphic. See here, for example, I can able to tell you again about the maps. If you see Google Maps, the satellite images are taken and then they are get converted into the whatever graphs you see on the screen, maps you see on the screen, and that is also again used to find out the locations, directions. There are many different use of the thing, but basic thing is that images which we are getting from the satellite that are processed to make that maps. Graphical user interface. This is also a very interesting term as well as a field, GUI, graphical user interface. See whatever right now we are learning online, so whatever things you are using, whatever tools you are using, applications, apps you are using for that, Meet app is there. So suppose I am using a Meet app, so when I open a Meet app I can see the particular things on the screen. So that is the interface. Okay, and I am aware of that interface key from where I can able to chat, or from where I can able to start my communication. That mic icon is there. If I want to start my video, the video icon is there. But if you see, the place of that icons is specific. You can just use that icons and you can interact. So for that purpose, for using that application, whatever things are provided to you, that is called as an interface. The use of pictures, images, icons, pop-up menus graphical objects help in creating a user-friendly environment where working is easy and pleasant. That is very important. Your working will be easy and pleasant. Using computer graphic, we can create such an atmosphere where everything can be automated and anyone can get the desired action performed in an easy fashion. Okay, so you have to create the interface in such a way that will be you can easily use that application. You might have been used I think 100% you people have been used WhatsApp. So it is very easy to use. So their interface is designed in such a way that you can easily use, anybody can able to easily use that application. That's the reason it is very famous. So that type of interface creation is possible with the help of computer graphics. Here all the things are depend on user experiences. If user feel it's easy, then user will start using it. This is how actually WhatsApp is getting famous. That's all. In short, if I want to summarize the things, then what is a computer graphics and what are the applications that we have seen. So under applications, these are the different applications. Here is it is a list: computer aided design, then presentation graphic, entertainment, education and training, computer art, scientific visualization, image processing, and graphical user interface. So this is all about computer graphics introduction. That is, you have to understand what is a computer graphics. So it is, these are whatever images, whatever things we are seeing on the computer, that are the computer graphics, and it is made up of pixels. All these images are made up of pixels, and using these images there are so many applications which we have to learn step by step. Right now I just briefly introduce you people with that applications. In the next sessions we are going to see what is in more detail what is a computer graphics, and as per the syllabus what are the things we have to cover. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.